Hi, Group 2. Here are your spelling words for today. Your first word is her. I like her necklace. Her. The next word is learn. What did you learn today at school? Learn. Next is steer. I had to steer the car to the side of the road. Steer. Your next word is deer. I saw a deer in the forest. Deer. The next word is term. We are still in the first term of the school year. Term. The next word is near. I put my coat near my chair. Near. The next word is a surprise word for your test. Your surprise word is tear. I saw my friend crying. I could see a tear on her cheek. Tear.